I spent 30 days trying to make money with free AI tools. No experience, no following, no investment. Here is exactly what happened: the good, the bad, and the ugly. Most people who talk about making money online show you the highlight reel, the $10,000 month, the passive income screenshot, the laptop on the beach. This video is different. I am going to show you exactly what 30 days looks like when you start from absolute zero. No audience, no email list, no paid tools, just free AI tools and consistency. If you want the honest truth about what works and what doesn't, stay with me, because what I found surprised even me. Week 1, Day 1. I had no idea where to start, so I did what most beginners do. I spent 3 days researching instead of doing. That was my first mistake, and I want you to avoid it. On day 4, I finally picked my tools. 11 Labs for VoiceOver, free. Claude AI for scripts, free. CapCut for editing, free. Canva for thumbnails, free. Total investment, $0. I wrote my first script using Claude. It took me 20 minutes to figure out the right prompt. Once I did, the script was done in 90 seconds. I recorded the voiceover in 11 Labs. First attempt sounded robotic. I adjusted the settings. Second attempt was clean and natural. I edited in CapCut, added captions, added background music, made a thumbnail in Canva. Total production time for my first video, 4 hours. I uploaded it. 7 views on day 1. 6 of them were probably me checking the analytics. Week 1 result, 7 views, $0. One lesson: starting is harder than continuing. Week 2. I uploaded my first 3 shorts. I took clips from my long video and cut them into 60-second shorts. Same content. 3 extra pieces, 0 extra work. Something shifted. One short hit 400 views in 48 hours. Not viral, but real people watching. My subscriber count went from 0 to 34. I also added affiliate links to every description. 11 Labs, Claude, Canva, Notion, CapCut, all free to sign up, all paying commissions. By the end of week 2, 3 clicks on my affiliate links. No conversions yet. But the system was working. The most important thing I learned in week 2: shorts feed your long videos. When someone finds your short, they go to your channel. They see your long video, they watch longer, watch time goes up. YouTube pushes you more. It is a flywheel, and week 2 is when I first felt it moving. Week 2 result: 34 subscribers, 600 total views, $0. But momentum was building. Week 3, second long video uploaded, 3 more shorts cut from it, and then it happened. I opened my 11 Labs affiliate dashboard. 1 conversion, $22, $22, not life-changing, I know. But it proved something important. The system works. Someone found my video, clicked my link, signed up. I earned money while I was sleeping. That is passive income. Even at $22, it is real. Week 3, my channel hit 89 subscribers. Total views crossed 1,400. Watch time was climbing every day. I also noticed something in my analytics. My best performing short had a very specific hook. What if I told you this free AI tool pays you while you sleep? That one line stopped people from scrolling. So I started every new short with that same energy. Week 3 result: 89 subscribers, $22 affiliate income. First proof the system works. Week 4, third long video live. 2 more shorts uploaded. Channel hit 180 subscribers by day 30. Total earnings for the month, $22 affiliate income. Zero AdSense. That needs 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. But here is what the numbers do not show. I now have a system, a repeatable process that gets faster every week. Week 1, 4 hours per video. Week 4, 2 hours per video. I know how to write hooks that stop scrolls. I know which topics get clicks. I know how to cut shorts in under 30 minutes. And I have 3 months of content ideas already mapped out. The first 30 days are not about making money. They are about building the machine that makes money. Month 2, goal, 500 subscribers and $150 affiliate income. Month 6 goal, YouTube, partner program, AdSense unlocked. Month 12 goal, $1,000 to $3,000 per month combined income. Is it guaranteed? No. Is it possible with free tools and consistency? Absolutely yes. The only people who fail at this are the ones who quit, and most quit in week 2, right before it starts working. Don't be that person. If you want to follow this journey in real time, subscribe. Honest, no filters. All the free tools I used are linked in the description below. Start with 11 Labs and Claude. Those are your foundation. I will see you in the next one.